I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, I'm going to show it to you now. Give me a little bit time. Oops. There. Yeah. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Okay, I would add your photos in the gallery, here in the gallery, or your contact details in the contact link. And or maybe if you want to add more about your services that you want to add here, and also about your company. Yeah, if this website would be, good for you and helpful for you, do me a favor, hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. By the way, my name is Juvie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.